22 Strangest Animals on Planet Earth. One of them has such transparent skin that you can see his heart beating. Animals are a big world, bigger than we can imagine, and there are many different species of them on this planet. The strange creatures that fill our world. Top 10 highlights the 22 strangest animals on the planet. According to ArabFeed.com and RGK.com. 22. Ankylai wuthos. Among the strangest animals in the world. They are cows of African origin. And are distinguished by their long horns that reach 2.4 meters. As their name was previously recorded in the Guinness Book of World Records. 21. Guess. It is one of the strangest animals at all. Its origin is from Asia. And it lives in trees. And it does not appear except at night and at a specific time. This animal is distinguished by large wide eyes and long legs. 20. Tapirs. It is a type of mammal. Somewhat similar to a pig. And feeds on herbs. Tapirs live in the depths of forests and near the waters in which they love to swim. It feeds on small twigs, leaves and bushes as well as fruits and other plants. Tapirs spend a lot of time in water and mud. They are shy animals that live alone or in small groups and are considered among the rare endangered animals. 19. Angora rabbit. There are many colors of this type of rabbit. But the most common and widespread color is white. And the purpose of its breeding is to produce wool. 18. Starnosed mole. This animal was classified as one of the strangest animals on Earth. Because it has a strange star-shaped nose completely. As it lives in tunnels in wetlands, and hunts its prey underwater. As well as underground. 17. Antelope saiga. This creature is one of the strangest species of antelope in the world. It lives in Prussia and Kazakhstan. But it is considered an endangered animal because of the illegal hunting it is exposed to in abundance. 16. The hooded stag. A small deer species that has a rather strange appearance. As it has fangs that make it very similar to vampires. 15. A lamprey or a stone sucker. One of the creatures that lives in water and is characterized by its strange appearance, specifically the mouth that shows pointed fangs that it uses to attach to the bodies of other fish and suck blood from them. 14. Brigamasco the shepherd. A dog breed native to the Italian Alps that has very thick and peculiar hair. 13. Gavial crocodile. One of the rare and endangered crocodiles and has a strange appearance. Especially its long jaw that distinguishes it from other types of crocodiles. 12. Axefish. One of the strangest fish that appears on our planet and has a strange appearance. Especially its face. Which is similar in composition to the shape of a human skull. 11. Tubenosed bat. One of the strange species of bats. Discovered in the 21st century. 10. Carnivorous harp sponge. This strange creature had never been seen before 2000. When a team from the Monterey Bay Aquarium Research Institute in California took a remote-operated submersible 2 miles off the coast. Took 2 samples of the animal, scientifically called Chondrocladia lyra, and released it containing the name of a sponge. The harpsichord, because it has a harp-like structure. So they took over 10 videos and reported their analysis in October 2012 in the Journal of Invertebrate Biology. This sponge feeds by sticking to the muddy sediments on the ocean floor and captures crustaceans through its thorny hook, where it wraps itself in a thin membrane and begins slowly digesting its prey. 9. Lemur. Lemurs live only in the tropical rainforests of Madagascar on tree branches and jump from tree to tree, avoiding landing on the ground. Many people in the region consider it a bad omen and often kill it upon seeing it so as not to cause them misfortune. It has slender fingers through which it hunts caterpillars in trees. And is now endangered due to constant killing. 8. Naked mole rat. It is a type of 30 different types of mole rats, and it lives in colonies such as ants and bees led by the queen. where the queen plays her role in the process of reproduction and raising children. And the rest dig tunnels using the teeth, in order to search for food and feed their colony. And interestingly, these mice do not get cancer, and researchers are doing some research to find out why. 7. Bugs killer. Bed bugs are an insect called the house of acanthaspes. And it is a type of killer bug. And there are more than 7,000 species of it. This insect has a spiny body through which it picks up the corpses of enemies and dead insects and crumples on top of each other in the form of a mountain of corpses that it carries on its back. On her back. 6. Water pig. One of the most common creatures in the depths of the ocean surrounding Antarctica. And it is not related to pigs. And in fact it is a type of sea cucumber. And it is abundant in those areas and lives in depths of more than 3,000 to 5,000 meters. And feeds by obtaining nutrients by extracting organic particles from clay. The sense of smell is used to identify food sources. 5. Crystal frog. Scientists had been unable to explore the ecologically rich forest on the border between Peru and Ecuador for many years due to the violent armed conflict that was taking place in that region. When they finally had the opportunity to explore the area in 2009, they found a rich ecosystem with species they had not yet discovered. Among the strange animals they found was the crystal frog. As this frog's skin is completely transparent. And through this transparent skin we can see its heart beating. 4. Ice thickness. Ice fish live in the icy depths of the Southern Ocean from Antarctica. These fish grow to 72 centimeters and have a natural form of antifreeze, which flows through their veins instead of red blood cells, as they lack both red blood cells and hemoglobin. 3. Dumbo Octopus. There is a character called Dumbo from the Disney characters and is characterized by its large ears, and this is the reason for the name of this octopus that has Dumbo's ears. And it is one of the creatures that live in the far depths of the sea. 2. Leafy Sea Dragon. To some extent, this animal resembles a seahorse, and this shallow water resident is distinguished by its ability to disguise itself with leaf-shaped protuberances. 1. Spotted whale. Also known as dates. This whale lives in the Arctic all its life. And the male is distinguished by its long fangs that can reach 3 meters. This whale was first identified in the Canadian Arctic and rarely in Greenland waters. In winter, this predator feeds on deep prey. And flatfish is often one of its victims, as it dives 1,500 meters under the surface of the water in search of it. We just finished our episode for today. We hope you enjoyed this clip. Please subscribe to the channel to receive all new. Like and comment to motivate us to achieve more.